Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In case you were a buyer and trying to find a seller that you'd like to search for by name, then this video is for you. Now, if you search for someone here, for example, Marcelo, then you might not be able to find the person that you were looking for. So here, for example, you will find Marcelo t-shirts, etc., but you might not really be actually able to find that person. Now, how can we do it? And is it even available or possible to search for an actual user or seller instead of a product? Well, depending on the community, guys, the answer is yes, you can do it. How? Well, first of all, you have to click on this link, which will take you to eBay eStores. So this is the find item. Basically, it will help you, which is like a detailed search. So this is the link. It is in the community. Just search for how to search by seller's name, and you will find it. This is the user who shared it. So by clicking on this link, you will be able to search by items and seller, which is what we are looking for. Click on it, and this is what you will get. So get to the top, and here you can write the seller keyword, having like what he's selling, the items, the price, like the price range that he's doing, and basically just put every information that you remember from of this seller and put them all together in here, and you will manage somehow to get the most similar ones to that seller, and you will find it hopefully if you got it with the exact information that you put here. So yeah, guys, this is how we can search by seller. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.